of the 2005 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.